How to update Facebook on iPhone. Is your Facebook app not running smoothly, or are you missing out the latest features? Keeping your Facebook app updated ensures you have the latest improvements, bug fixes, and new features. In this guide, I'll show you how to update Facebook on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Launch your App Store. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of search. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Facebook and then search for it. With that, app will appear. Now click on the app. You'll see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, that means update for this app is available. You have to click on that option of update. With that, update process will start. But in the case you see the option of open as mine, that means your Facebook app is already updated. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the update process will be faster. Once completion of update process, you can launch it, log into your account and use it. You will now be running the latest version with all the newest features and improvements. So that's how you can easily update your Facebook app to its latest version on iPhone. Keeping your app up to date ensures a smoother experience with the latest features. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.